This is the hotel that I'm in. It's so lovely. Good morning. It's currently 10 in the morning and I'm just going to do some skincare and makeup and then see if we can find somewhere local to have breakfast because I am so hungry. I think that's the one reason I actually woke up today, was because I was so hungry. Sometimes people ask me what I use on my skin, so maybe I'll do a little skincare video. I use this Nurturing Night Cream from QV. So hopefully, because I'm here for a month and I already do have a bit of an understanding of Mandarin, I will be able to speak it a bit more fluently. I would absolutely love that. In Asia, you never know when you might have to take off your shoes. So I always put deodorant on my feet as well because, you know, you're walking around all day, it's going to be hot as well, and I just don't want my feet to smell, you know. I'm just want to be considerate. This is what I am wearing today. I'll show you guys a full little like fit pic before I leave, but I just really love this dress. It's from a Korean brand named Floral. It's so cute, and I also got this name tag necklace, which is really adorable as well. The earrings, yay! So I'm gonna do my makeup now. I use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in shade Light to Vanilla, and I'm just gonna use this under my eyes, sort of where like I have a little bit of redness and acne scarring. But first I'm gonna wash my hands because that is very important. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that I will sleep really well tonight. For foundation, I'm using the Rose Ink. Oh my god, I can't even talk today. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. I'm using the Rose Ink Soft Light Skin Smoothing Liquid Foundation. But I can't wait to get some food. I'm so hungry. I would love, if I had my own hotel, I would make sure that every single room had a steamer, because it's just so easy to steam your clothes and to make sure they look nice and unwrinkled. I think that's something that's actually a pet peeve for me, is when my clothes have wrinkles in them. It just looks so much more put together when there's no wrinkles or anything. But that's alright, we will survive. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then put some mascara on. Fenty gloss, of course. It's my favorite highlighter. It is the Chanel Sculpting Balm Essential Multi-Use Stick, and I just love it so much because it gives you such like a natural and dewy glow. A lot of my makeup in the past, I used like powdered products or powdered highlighter, and I found it never really gave me the look that I was going for. But after using this, it's so nice. It's very natural, very dewy. Under the brow. Okay, I think this is cute. Let me bring this over here. Yay! Oh my goodness, okay. So this is the final fit. Very cute and mignon. Yay! Yay, I feel so excited to be here and explore. I hope I am actually going the right way. I guess we'll find out soon. There were some ladies who were taking some photos near the river, and they asked if I could take a photo of them, and then I asked if they could take a photo of me too, and they did. It was so sweet. I got super disorientated though because I was walking in one direction and the maps dropped out, and then I realized that I was going the complete opposite way, so I had to go back and walk back again. So that's fine. We live and we learn. Just went to Starbucks and the food was really yummy. It's a little bit overstimulating, especially because there's like quite a lot of people as well. I never realized how green Shanghai is as well. It's so lovely. Architecture of this building is so incredible. There's this like glass outer section that wraps all the way around and you can see it from the inside too. It's really cool.
building. I know I keep saying it, but it really is. If you have kids and you're coming to Shanghai, I would definitely recommend coming here because it's so kid friendly, kid conscious. There's a lot of really great activities. I just had dinner at a restaurant named Everything Vegan, and it was honestly, it was so incredible for my first restaurant meal. It was so yummy. And I can't wait to go back. I met someone there and she was so nice. 8:40 at night time, and the streets are so well lit. I feel so comfortable walking home because there's not one street so far that's been shrouded in darkness. Oh, it's so refreshing. The lady who I was speaking to at the restaurant as well, she said that she's always felt really safe. Because there are so many cameras here and you have this feeling of always being surveyed, you do end up feeling quite safe, which is really nice. I have showered and washed my hair and I feel so tired now. And I know my hair's gonna take forever to dry. Oh well.